We are right now in the Rena Siquijor. No? So this is a port town here in Siquijor, facing Mindanao. We'll be taking a ferry to Plaridel in Misamis Occidental. Ticketing office is here. No? We're taking the light ferries, and normally dumadating ng early morning, 2 AM. This one, no? Ticketing off, parang 800 yung fare. 800, ayan, no? Total na babayaran, ayan, 880. And okay, yung driver is free. So may supercut. May supercut din pala dito. Let's check yung schedule niya. Larena to Cebu to Tagbilaran. Wala. But here, ang schedule niya is going Mindanao. No? Wala. So I think this is the capital town ng Siquijor. Kasi yung bagsak namin yesterday night was in Kandahay. This is port of La Rena in Siquijor. So instead of going back to Dumaguete, then go to Dapitan, ang rota namin is isa na lang, no? Kaysa dalawang biyahe, we'll be taking one trip to Plaridel, no, in Misamis. Then we'll be passing yung Tango Bridge, no, yung Panggil Bridge. Okay. So we'll try na kung dito kami mag overnight siguro. Ang suggestion ko, Kiars,